Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Your AI Guide. So in today's video, we will learn how to create fact and dimension tables, and then we will find the relationship between both dimension and fact tables. So this fact table, we can say it's our star table, and these are the dimensions. So let's start from the first step. So first we have to go in query panel and select the transform data. And now we are in our query panel. As you can see, I already created some tables from the columns. So first we have, this is our fact tables, and from this we have to choose the single columns and remove other columns, and then make it as a table. So like I will make first a duplicate of this fact table. Then now I'm going to choose gender. So just right click here and remove other columns, and now I have to remove the duplicates and rename this column gender. Gender table, and then just close and apply. Click on yes, and then go to the model view. So now our dimension and fact tables is created, and this is the relationship between dimension and fact table. This is a Power BI latest version, so it creates this relationship automatically. But if you are using old versions, that time you have to do by the manually. So this is the a single relationship. We can do the multi relationship, but my data is a single relationship data, so there is no option for making multiple relationship between the fact and dimension tables. But if you have any query related to this type of data, we can use in another video, and we'll show in that video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to follow us for upcoming new videos. Thank you. Bye bye.